Hey, today we got a cab height fiberglass V series by ARE. This is the 02 to 08 Dodge Ram with a 6'4" bed, short bed. Black in color. It's a pretty decent shape. Doesn't have much damage. Top edge looks pretty good through here. Couple minor little scuff marks here on the top. Small little chip right there. Bottom edge has some wear against the rubber edge there, rubber edge trim. It's pretty good down through there. You get to this back edge, you got some spots, a couple wear spots right there on the edge trim. Does have the half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Paint looks pretty good up here. Does have a minor scratch right there on the top, on the edge there. Top and the top edge through here look really good. Couple minor little chips right there. And then we got a couple more right there. Looks good. Paint looks good through there. Not seeing any damage through here. Paint looks good through there. On this side, paint looks pretty good. Not seeing any damage here at all. Got a small chip here on the top right there. Top and the top edge here look good. No damage that I can see here. I have a small chip right there, yeah. Bottom edge on this side looks actually pretty good. I don't see any damage on the edge of this side. Not seeing anything there. Does have the half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Paint looks pretty good. They got some, and we've cleaned a lot of this up, but I don't know what this is. It's kind of, it was on the top edge of this and the one side of the door. I don't know what that was, but got a couple scuffs here, right there on the top of the window, or top of the cap, behind the brake light. But yeah, you can see that, whatever that is. Like I said, we cleaned a lot of it up. Like, I don't even know what it looked like foam, actually. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Got a small hole there in the screen. Yeah, it's not going to show up on me. Let me see if I can get it to... Right there, a small hole in the screen. It's not wanting to focus on the screen. It's wanting to focus on the stuff out there. I can't get it. There's a small hole right. Yeah, it's really tiny, can't really see it. And then this one here. Right there, it's not that big either. Other than that, the screen looks pretty good. Not seeing any holes in the screens there. Pull that. Inside window here is a flip down front slider. You flip this latch down here, Flip this latch down here. It flips down. It's picture window. I think I said slider, but I meant picture window. That allows the window to fold down so you can clean the front of this one here and then the back of the truck cab right there. And then you can flip this back up, latch that up like so, and seal that back up. On this side, screens look pretty good. No holes in the screens here. Screens look pretty good. Serial number was built specifically for a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 double cab short bed, V series, cab high, PXR, Brilliant Black Effect is the actual paint code. So it's PXR Brilliant Black. So that fits the 04 to 08. So there we go. I got a cab high fiberglass V series by ARE. PXR Brilliant Black is the color. It's a 2004 to 2008 Dodge Ram with a 6.4 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. It can be done all through that link there. If you're looking for there's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, deck units, things like that, those can all be purchased online from us as well. If you're looking for any of that stuff, there's also a link to our website there as well. If you're looking for a unit specifically for your truck, looking for a specific color, size, or what have you, we upload to YouTube and our website when inventory comes in, so you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck apps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.